All right, so we've been fighting the auger the whole time. It keeps getting stuck in where we have to take a pipe wrench to it in order to get it back out, and we think we found a solution to it. So what we're doing is we're taking a 6x6 and this bad boy and stopping this from going into the dirt. And what it does, it gets turned up in there, stops, and then pops right back out. You ready? Where's the hole? Oh, am I straight? Right there? You get it in. Put this bad boy in there. These hit this, and it stops it from keep going down. So, okay, we're good on both sides. Yeah, just see how it just popped back up. It was gonna get stuck, but this stopped it. Basically, that's worked with all of them. So, subscribe to the channel, and if this video helped you out, hit the like button, and I hope this helps.